Are you working hard, long hours providing childcare for children, but feel like money is going out the window, or you're not seeing it at all? If you're having this problem with your home daycare and need some answers, then this video is just for you. Whether you already have a home daycare business or you're planning to open one, you're probably wondering, why am I losing money and how do I make money? And is it really possible? Where did I go wrong? If you had these questions, you're in the right place to find the answers. In this video, I will share 5 things that you can do to add to your income so you can earn $5,000 or more a month. And if you're losing money, it's probably because you're not doing these things. These 5 ways don't require you to add more children either. These are just a few of the financial benefits of owning a home daycare if you follow these steps. And guess what? These are in addition to the obvious general child care services. So stay tuned to the very end. For those who stay tuned, you will receive a bonus. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise. Let's get started with number 1. Government assistance and grants. Depending on your location, home daycare businesses may qualify for subsidized meal programs like the USDA Adult and Child Care Food Program, also known as CACFP. There's also small business grants and low interest loans offered for early childhood education. There's also state assistance programs. These programs help offset the costs for providers serving low-income families. Check out the links below to find more information. So remember, take advantage of these many financial benefits. Opening a home daycare can be a fulfilling, rewarding, and practical career choice. As discussed in this video, these are just a few of the many benefits of owning or becoming a home daycare provider. That's right, by starting a home daycare, you can make a big difference in the lives of children, families, and communities, and your own. If you love children, which is a prerequisite, want to create a positive impact and earn an income, every link you need to start your home daycare business, such as the USDA's Child and Adult Care Food Program, small business grants and loans, and also low interest loans, and the state assistance program are provided as you see on the screen here. Number 2, convenient services. What can you do? Well, you can provide nutritious homemade meals and snacks for an additional fee. As a parent, wouldn't it be nice to pick up your child and a home-cooked dinner for you and your family? Well, this is a service that you can provide for parents at an additional cost. What about laundry service? Provide laundry services for an additional fee. You can wash the children's clothes and bedding or nap time items for a fee. It will save the parents the trouble of bringing it back and forth to your preschool. You can also provide diapers and supply services for an additional fee. You can purchase diapers in bulk and offer a package to parents. You can also do the same for wipes and formulas by providing these to your parents at an additional fee. What about transportation services? Offer pickup and drop-off services for an additional fee. And did you know that you could qualify for a grant to receive a vehicle to provide these services? Be sure to check out the links at the end of this video, but be sure to count the cost of all these services, especially this one. The cost of your auto insurance service might outweigh the financial benefits. So also check with your state agency to determine the laws in your area. Be certain to get your freebie at the end of this video. Number 3, educational and enrichment programs. Do you have an extra skill set that can be taught in your home daycare business? What about networking and making arrangements with other professionals and providers for upcoming and continuing educational units that they may need? For example, what about tutoring and learning programs? Can you provide structured learning activities like early reading, math, or science? There's also language lessons. Are you fluent in another language? How about teaching a second language? This could also set you apart from your competition. Then there's homeschool student drop-ins. What about children who are in homeschool programs that may need occasional supervision, while their parents may need to work out of the home or have other appointments. Make sure you click on the link below to get your freebie. Then there's number 4, tax deductions. As a home daycare provider, your home business qualifies for multiple tax write-offs. A few of these include, but are not limited to, portions of your mortgage or your rent and utilities. The IRS allows deductions based on the percentage of your home space used for your home daycare business. Then there's food expenses. Meals provided to children in your home daycare business may be tax deductible. Other things like toys, books, educational materials, and cleaning supplies, these are just to name a few of those essentials that also can be written off as a business expense. Then there's also insurance costs such as liability and health insurance in some cases, and homeowners insurance. And again, based on the percentage of the space used for your home daycare business, including utilities and maintenance costs, which can be factored in to calculate your expenses. These expenses can reduce your taxable income, leaving more money in your pocket. But be certain to check with your tax advisor. These are examples of what worked for me. I'm not an accountant and I am not a tax professional. And this is not advice. This is me just sharing with you what worked for me. If you like what you're hearing and want to learn more, please like and subscribe to my channel. At the end of this video, click on the link for your free checklist. Make sure you comment below which tip or number you find most beneficial. Number 5, theme programs and special events. Hosting events and parties, can you rent your space and provide parties and include games and decorations and maybe entertainment and hosting. There's also school closings and seasonal summer camps and activities that you can offer special care for school breaks and holidays. And what about my favorite, Parents' Night Out? Host an evening where you're providing childcare for parents to have the night out. To learn additional ways, click on the link below or visit our website, and also be sure to receive your free checklist. And your bonus, as I promised. Here is your financial benefit. Offer, host, or recertification in CEU training. Are you qualified to offer CEUs? If not, you can network with someone and then make the arrangement for the classes to take place in your home. This is another revenue stream. These are just 5 ways to stop losing money or leaving it on the table and make $5,000 or more each month. Provide these services, offer top quality childcare. To learn more, be sure to watch the next video, Free Home Daycare Stuff, to find more ways to keep money in your pocket, stop losing money or leaving it on the table, and earn more. In conclusion, be that person to make a difference. Open a home daycare business and reap the many rewards. Until next time, thank you for watching.